Hello everybody. Today we are going back a little bit to some uh, some of my smart home projects, and I'm still very far behind of finishing the um, apartment that I'm working on. What I want to show you today, because I also have been searching a lot for a device like this. It's a zigbee dimmer. Yeah, so I know there are a lot of models, and some in the form of implants that you put behind your physical switch. Yeah, and you replace it with a momentary switch or momentary button, and this is how you dim your lights. But I already have a lot of Sonoff T1, no, TX, T3, whatever. Yeah, you know, that Wi-Fi switch models, and I wanted something that looks similar, at least, or around there, and I was not finding anything, only these implants, and you cannot connect a Sonoff to an implant because they need only momentary switches and so on. I know probably you can configure Sonoff from Tasmota to be like that, but I didn't want to go that way. So yeah, today I'm going to show you Bseed. This is the brand, and you can find it on AliExpress. This one myself I bought from Amazon, and when I made some calculations, I was maybe 5-6 euros more on Amazon than on AliExpress, and I had shipping to my door. Normally with AliExpress we have to go to the post office and maybe pay customs. They don't care that you already paid in on the AliExpress webpage. Yeah, this is it. Anyway, a lot of bullshit. Anyway, so let's open this. Yeah, and I also have an LED bulb from IKEA, and this is what we are trying to dim. So it is a dimmable. Yeah, this is the LEDR. Okay, GU10. So let's open up the switch, and you know, at first I was very worried because on the box I saw Wi-Fi, everything Wi-Fi, and I ordered Zigbee. So it was a little bit of emotion from my side. So we have the box. Here we have the panel and the glass panel, yeah, and the mounting bracket. Okay, so we have on off and the two arrows. Now this is EU standards because I live in the EU, in Romania, and this is the actual switch. Okay, and this one I already tested, so at least I mean, I tested. I didn't connect it to a light bulb. I connected it to zigbee2mqtt, and I know it's working. So anyway, this is the switch, really small, and right here on the back we see Zigbee. So that was a little bit of reassurance, and I think this clips on. It has some little plastic thingies. After you mount the bracket, you push it in, it clips, and I believe this is the way. Yeah, it clips in, and after that the front panel the same way, you will put it on, and that's it. Okay, so for the connections, yeah, I have to tell you this requires neutral, so be sure you have neutral at your switch. So you have neutral, light in, light phase in, and or live, how you call it, live in, live out. Okay, so let's make the connections, and see if it's working. I'm gonna use this thingy here because I only want to connect it for this test. Okay, let's do the connections and test the switch. Okay, so we have everything installed, and you know what? I brought this IKEA fixture with me and I didn't know, but it already has a dimmer here, so I didn't even know this. Yeah, and I connected it to the switch and it turns on, but you can only change the brightness from here. Yeah, interesting. So I didn't even know that I had one of those with dimmer. So this is it. Here's the switch, and I highly recommend you don't do it like I do here, but it's only for testing. So let's turn on. Yeah, you can see it's bright. I hope this is for down, and you can see it's dimming, and now we can turn on the brightness. So I think, if I remember correctly, in zigbee2mqtt you can set the minimum brightness level and also the maximum brightness level. So I don't know currently what it's set to. So let's turn on zigbee2mqtt and see if the switch is working. Okay guys, so we have the fixture there, yeah, the switch and the light. Let me just turn on this also, maybe I can cut it in better. And right now I will start zigbee2mqtt on Windows using this little adapter that I made. I also have a video about this. So we will just type npm start, yeah, and it should start. Yeah, and we have okay, so we have to update this. How can I copy this? So we should be fine now. Let's see. Okay. Well, this was working. Oh, I think I put this one in another port. Let's see now. Okay, yeah, it's starting now. Yeah, permit join set to true. This is running Coeng software. So okay, and we also had the switch already connected because I did it a while ago. Okay, so let's see what was. Yeah, this is the zigbee2mqtt, and yeah, we also have other things connected. So this is the dimmer. Let's go on it. Exposes. So on. Is it on? No. Now it's on. I don't know what this wasn't on. Anyway, okay, so we can set minimum brightness, maximum brightness, and right now we are at this stage. Okay, we can see changing it. So it is working. Yeah, and this is the latest version of zigbee2mqtt. If you have Home Assistant, just check how you can upgrade it. This will be also paired with Home Assistant, but right now my server is not even here, and we are just testing this. So it is working, yeah. You can see all the, yeah, so it's fine, everything's working. So guys, this is the Bseed switch. Let me get back here. So yeah, this is the switch. It's working just fine, as you can see. Yeah, dimming up and down. So what can I say about it? I was looking for a while for this kind of switch. I'm happy that it is available now. I can't tell you anything about how warm will it get or not. Let's hope not. Let's hope that everything will be fine. I hope that they tested it. So I will also try to connect to zigbee2mqtt. Yeah, here on my phone. Okay, so like the same, we have the same controls. Yeah, so everything's working fine. You can see it's updating here. Yeah, you can see if we move the, well, it's working from the buttons, and it's also working from the interface. So yeah, okay guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. I will leave a link in the description with the switch, and yeah, what can I say? It looks nice, it works. Let's hope it will work for a long time. Yeah, it's this glass kind of front panel, and it's a really thick glass, if you can see, compared to Sonoff, which has maybe half of this, I think. Okay, anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if I helped with the video. Don't forget, never do connections like I did here. I will unplug it now just to be safe. And yeah, but what can I say? If you like the switch, buy it. Bye bye.